guys, so jumping straight into the video, this is what my hair is looking like now. You guys haven't seen me in a while, so the last time y'all saw me, my hair was red and longer, but a couple months ago I was just like, I don't want any hair anymore. Like literally, I was like, I'm sick of having hair, so I cut it, and this is the length it's at now. I'm thinking about growing it out, thinking about cutting it again, so we'll see. But for now, I'm just twisting it up real quick in some really messy, really undone twists, just to get it kind of flat and out of my way. Then I'm putting on my wig cap, and since we are using a headband wig today, no frontal, no closure, no glue, no tape, no nothing, just my vibe. I'm going to be doing my baby hairs, and I'm laughing because I know I look crazy right now pulling out all these baby hairs, but I just want to make sure I have enough to do a cute little style, you know? So I'm not gonna talk much because I'm literally just doing my baby hairs. I'm just gonna sit here and let y'all watch me do these little swoops, and I'll be right back. And let me just say, I can get real scissor happy when it comes to my hair, okay? Y'all see how I just cut that? I really do not care. Yes, I cut my baby hair sometimes when I want them to be perfect and look exactly the way I want, because they grow back so fast. I literally cut my baby hairs and cut like my sideburns all the time, and they grow back in like a day. Seriously. And I think I forgot to mention that to do this, I am using an edge control. I'm using the Style Factor Edge Booster, the extra strength one for thick and coarse hair. And it's the maximum hold version. If you do know, Edge Booster has multiple versions. I will show you guys the bottle that I'm using later on in the video, I'm pretty sure. But I'm using that to style my edges, and then as you guys saw, I just spray a little bit of Got2b hairspray on my brush, not on my edges, because that'll make them really hard and like sticky and not cute. I mean, not for me. But I just spray it on the brush instead, because it literally is just the right amount, and then it keeps my hairs in place all day, period. And I purposefully like left in most of the footage of me doing my baby hairs because I wanted y'all to see that it takes me a while, okay? Just because when you see things on YouTube or on social media, on the internet, whatever, and it's sped up and it looks like it took the person like 2 seconds, sweetie, it's all a lie, okay? It took about 15-20 minutes, sure did. And I just wanted y'all to see that, you know, it takes time. Everything that you see on the internet is not real. So take your time, whether you're doing your own baby hairs or doing them on a wig, you know what I'm saying? Don't rush. And I was kind of shocked to learn that most people don't know how to do, well, not most people, but that some people don't know how to do baby hairs, because like I've been doing baby hairs since I popped out my mama's womb, you feel me? But just take your time, you know what I'm saying? Don't rush. Don't think just because you see things sped up on the internet that you have to know how to do it in 2.5 seconds, because you don't, boo. So now for the star of the show. This wig is coming to you guys courtesy of ViviBabi hair. Be sure to check out the link in the description box because I'm not even sure I'm saying their name right. But shout out to them. This wig has been my literal go-to for the past 2 months. You guys, it's so embarrassing. If you go on my Instagram, my most recent pictures, I'm wearing this wig in all of them because it's so easy, so lazy girl friendly, so beginner friendly, and you don't have to worry about any lifting or glue or lace or anything like that. I just love it so much, like seriously. And as far as the details, it is a 26-inch 180% density Malaysian kinky curly wig. And to keep it secure, because my head is small, I just do what you guys saw. I put the clips into the front of my head, and I usually don't like using clips because they can rip out your edges, but I feel like for the headband wig it's necessary so it doesn't slip and slide all over your head. And then those Velcro tabs in the back, like I said, my head is pretty small, so instead of Velcroing them, I tie it for a more secure kind of fit. And before this video, I did want my curls to be pretty poppin', so I did shampoo and condition it with just any regular shampoo and conditioner I had laying around the house. You can use whatever. So tangling and shedding was I did get a little bit of tangling and shedding, but I'm 99% sure it was because it was the first time I had washed it since I got it, and I've literally been wearing it for 2 months. So the fact that I didn't get any shedding or tangling until now was pretty lit. You guys already know what's happening here. We're just gonna take a little silk scarf, satin scarf, headband, whatever you want, and I'm using that to lay down my edges. And then I'm gonna go do my makeup or whatever real quick, and I will be right back. Boom, we're back. So while I was doing my makeup, my hair kind of dried out a little bit, and I wanted more of a wet look. So what you guys see me doing here is just reapplying my water and my leave-in, and then I'm just gonna show you guys a couple styles that you can do with this wig. You can wear it down, and they did send me over 3 headbands to try with this wig, but they just weren't giving. They weren't cute enough for my liking, so I went and bought this one off Amazon. But you can get it off Amazon, literally any beauty supply or a hair store near you. And I also know that people have started selling bejeweled headbands on like Instagram boutiques, so you can literally get it anywhere. But yeah, so you can wear it half down. You can put it up in a little ponytail, half up, half down ponytail. You can wear it all down. You can wear it in a half up, half down bun. You can do literally whatever, and it looks so cute. Usually I wear it in a little half up, half down. But guys, that's literally it. I just wanted to stop by and show you off this bomb wigs to you guys. Of course, all links will be in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.